Welcome back to the Oliver 770 Farm Boy. Don't try this at home. We are professionals. Oh God. No.
Well, fellers, don't mind the bird shit. Gonna go rake some hay. Got a couple goals here while we're raking hay. I'm gonna piss the keyboard warriors off and everything else, but oh, anybody want to bitch about my bird shit? Don't bitch me, bitch the birds. Why aren't the batteries dead? Dang bird in the exhaust, Jesus! There's a bird in the tractor. These fucking things. Gosh, this thing's just disgusting. Oh yeah, bird nest all in it. Oh my Jesus. Well, there ain't nothing on the exhaust. That's the main part. Don't mind the dirty shop. Where's my can of gas? Barry, run off with that? Don't tell me that. Hey, idiot. It's right in front of you. I'm gonna throw 5 gallons in there and we'll go get hooked to the hay rake. Also, before somebody gets like 25 ways of butt hurt about what I'm doing, this is around the building. This is the grain bins and stuff right here. And I wanted to make sure everything worked. And why brush hog it if I can get 5 bales of hay out of it? But I mean, it ain't like I cut my clover over here or nothing. This is just stuff that was gonna be brush hogged. I just want to try everything. This thing ain't even been greased yet. I mean, see, I need some, whatchamacallits, rake teeth. Does anybody happen to know who has them or the part number or where? This is a farmhand rake. It's an F76B. I need some teeth. Now, I haven't looked really hard. Like, I ain't searched the country for rake teeth, so nobody say, oh well, they're easy to find or not. I just ain't looked. I was just asking. So I ought to throw a bunch on there. This thing may not get to rake hay all year either. The 270 might go on it because this thing's due for a clutch. But we might hook the square baler to this thing and let her eat, because 285's got the pulse hole digger on it, and it looks as if it's gonna rain. That's why I didn't cut much hay. So we're gonna be back putting that fence. The 7000 has a hay bind on it, and that's the first thing I'll use again. So I think we're just gonna put the square baler on here, bale what we got, unhook her, be done with it. Because there's a lot of hay that needs cut. That's another reason the video quality's so bad. I mean, just look at it. I'm going in a million circles around a barn. I'm not on straight roads where I can get something set and go for it. I mean, I'm doing circles, and it's just, yeah. At least I'm videoing it. I don't know if it'll be in this video or my next video or something. I got old Ross a surprise. Hopefully he gets some spare time tonight. I can meet him and show it to him, or give it to him. You guys ought to get a kick out of it. Either there's a black snake in this stuff, or there it is. What is that? That's not a snake, is it? No. That is a old jumper cable. Huh. If I'm going to video a whole lot baling, because I got a lot of paying attention to that. I got a lot of crap to go around I don't want to hit with the baler. I got parts coming for this thing. It's leaking diesel fuel like a sieve. Around the injection pump, we just fixed it. I disced with it. Everything. Out of nowhere, they start leaking again. So, back to the drawing board with this thing, I guess. It's just pumping out right there where the little crush washers are. I don't know why. It was fine. I was down there drilling post holes, and I might as well have been dumping diesel on the ground. Oh, don't listen to that. That one right freaking there. I don't know what is going on. It's annoying the crap out of me. But let's see. Would it be a? That's a 336. I think, right? They're 230. But I pulled a New Holland with this one time. It's hard on. I forget what size that baler is. I don't think I've ever had that baler on here. We bailed with the Alice. Well, I think the year before I started YouTube, we bailed with the Alice. That thing ain't fun to bail in with a cab. I'm sure I'm going to miss my 3-speed, but like I said, I'm bailing around the barn. It ain't like I'm going out and bailing 40 acres a day. If we were bailing the bigger patch, the 285 would be on call, but no more than I'm bailing. 770 it is. This thing never gets very much videoing, so. Dang it. Well, I gotta hook it up. Feed this bale. I think I got something a little working, but yeah. Oh, we missed the knot, man. Oh, crud. Governor really it works good, I guess. I don't know, I'm in first gear and I promise that sounded way worse than it was, because I was holding the camera and trying to steer. I couldn't clutch it, and the old 770 was a-talking. Put her on a moldboard plow and really let her eat one day. That's what we ought to do. Well, I got a little cleanup to do, but there was your baler footage for the beginning, I guess. I don't know. Needs a bath, bad. Well, down here looking at some next hay we're gonna cut. But yep, we're gonna start us a new video. So go ahead and give me a like, comment, and a follow, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.